on, seriously. I feel like I just ran. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know who I am, my name is Candice. If you are returning, welcome back. So based off the title of this video, let's just get right to it. I just want to say I cannot believe I'm even on TikTok. I literally dragged my feet to do this. The only reason why I did this was because my good Judy's convinced me to do it. So if you are an avid watcher on my channel, then you may have seen my New York vlog a couple years ago, and the girls that I went with in that trip, those are my good girlfriends, and they are the ones that convinced me to download TikTok. Okay, they put the battery in my back and they hyped me up to do this. Okay, I tried using it. I don't know what the heck I'm doing, and I just feel so like not with the times. I didn't want to bother my girls about this because they have other things to do than babysit me and show me how to work TikTok like the old woman that I am. I'm gonna watch a YouTube tutorial on how to work TikTok. Now, I've got my 21 and older drink, my little apple Jack Daniels, and my Pepsi. So I'm gonna pull up the video now. So I'm literally going to search how to use TikTok, and oh, hold on, Katie Steckley, you just did an updated one. Ooh, okay, I'm gonna do her updated one. I was gonna do her how to edit TikTok. That's the one I originally had on my screen before I hit record, but I see she has an updated one for 2020, so we're gonna go ahead and do that.
Are you ready to learn to edit a TikTok video from start to finish?
This video,
yes, girl, hello.
A very
straightforward and detailed walkthrough of everything that you need to know to edit your first TikTok.
Let's get started.
Oh, hey, if you're new here, my name is Katie Steckley, and here on YouTube, I love to share all my
best tips and advice about social media marketing
and creative entrepreneurship. So what you need to know about making TikTok videos before you ever woven together. It's not as black and white as traditional video editing where you film everything first and then you edit it. It kind of happens
as you go, which I'm going to show you throughout the video.
As you create your TikTok, you're going to start and stop recording, and as you go, those clips are going to be automatically stitched together.
You are
Shut up!
Later to
go back and trim those if you want to, so you can see how they work.
Step one, of course, is to film your TikTok.
Okay.
Once you know
What you want to create, you're going to want to start capturing your clips in the order you want them to appear in the final
video.
Right.
Like I
mentioned before, you can press that red button to
start filming and then release to stop filming.
Okay.
You can also
start a timer so that it'll automatically start filming you without you having to touch the screen.
And when you use the timer, you can choose how long
It films you for.
So you're going to want to film your
clips in order, and then pick up that TikTok and keep filming
again.
What?
You can save it as a draft in between as well.
Whoa.
If you want to, go
back to browsing your For You page in between filming. You're going to want to tap on
sounds in the top center of the screen.
Mm-hmm.
This is where you can
pick from the huge variety of sounds that TikTok has to offer. There's all kinds of options, so find what you
want to use and then just
select it. All of the videos are that use that particular sound.
And you can just tap on use this sound, and that will allow you to start filming your TikTok with that audio.
Oh
my
gosh!
I'm just gonna go ahead and film my clips without
that
music,
is
and I'll
so
add my
cool.
soundtrack later. Step two is to edit. Once you have your clips all in order, your TikTok is almost done. There's just a couple
finishing touches we're gonna do here to make it perfect. It says adjust
clips. This allows you to go into each of the individual clips that you recorded and adjust their length by trimming them.
Oh, that is cool.
You can also reorder the clips in case. The next step, which is number 4, effects.
Ooh,
you can add a lot of different effects to your TikToks. For example, you could do voice effects. That's in the top right-hand corner. If you there's also lots of video effects. Everything from adding kind of like flowers in the background to glitter to lens flare.
Really anything that you would want. Once you're happy with the effects that you've chosen to decorate your TikTok,
the next step is number 5, adding text. Now, if you want to add text to your TikTok, it is very straightforward. All you have to do is
tap that little button with the 2 A's and you can start typing.
And finally, we're on to step number 6, which is publishing your TikTok. When you're totally happy with it and you've watched it through a couple times, you can press next, and this will take you to
the screen. How to make really common,
viral, and fun TikToks that you might want to try for yourself. Normally, I would...
I am exhausted, okay? I really do hope that I like and enjoy TikTok, but honey, all these steps. I mean, who has the time? I just don't see how this is gonna work. It just seems really time consuming. I'm gonna be a good sport though. I am, because the realist in me is like, this is too much work just to be playing around online. But there's another part of me that is like, you are an influencer. In the words of Jay-Z, you gotta roll with the times, otherwise you will get left behind. So my initial reaction is just like, honey, I'm gonna need a little bit of my sugar and kush CBD oil for this, because this just has me like, what? Bump this, okay? But I'm gonna figure it out. I do just want to say shout out to Katie Steckley for the video, because it was very informative, very helpful, and I need to try this out. So let's see how this goes, you guys. Wish me all the best. Let me know if you are on TikTok or not, if you plan on downloading or getting TikTok. What are your thoughts on TikTok? And yes, girl, if you are on TikTok, leave the TikTok names down below. Everyone that follows me on TikTok, I will follow you back. Yes, so let's just make it a party. All right, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'm on TikTok. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.